The question is very simple, and the question is like, I'm used to give gifts or cards over Christmas to my colleagues of the different faiths anyway. Then what happens, this time is, sometimes knowledge is, gets worse on you. I gave a card and gifts to some of my colleagues, and then I received a message, it's haram to do so, so and so, you have done kufr, and I said, oh my God, what I'm doing. So now I'm feeling guilty because one of my secretaries, I gave a card and gift. Another secretary was waiting when I received this message. I still in my bag anyway. Can I give it to her or not? This is not for me, this is the question for everyone. It's a university student. The other question is that I'm just asking because the other message came, you say Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. You are doing kufr. I said, my God, what I'm doing here. Because when I went to my hospital on Christmas Day, I was on duty. I just entered into my ward and everyone, all my staff said to me, Happy Christmas to you, doctor. I said, oh my God, I have a message in my mobile, what I'm going to say now. I said, oh, same to you. So I did not reply the way I was used to do, which I feel like this is not the right thing to do. But I want a clarity for these youngsters, so that please guide us, tell us what should we do, because we love our fellows around, we respect them, they respect us, we have to acknowledge them.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for your question. Yes. You just said that you have been listening to Shafur Islam. You used to travel from one city to different city on your motorbike to listen to him. So you should not get confused on this kind of an ignorant statements made by other people. It's very clear. There's nothing wrong in it, in appreciating and becoming a part of others' happiness. So it's an Islamic way of life. And if you say Merry Christmas or exchange gifts with each other, so it's always to increase love and respect for each other in the society. And absolutely there is nothing wrong in it, especially celebrating Christmas. If you don't want to celebrate it, that's a different thing. But our brothers living here, they are celebrating Christmas. It's a birth of Jesus Christ. And Jesus Christ, it's not just a prophet of Christians, but he's a prophet of Muslims as well. So it's like celebrating Mawlidun Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as we celebrated for our beloved prophet. So celebrating Christian or being happy or at least greeting other brothers from Christian community on Christmas is like greeting and being happy on the birth of Prophet Jesus, who's Prophet of Islam as well. And then New Year is just New Year coming up, changing. There is completely nothing wrong. This is what I have been the topic I was discussing in my talk. That this is kind of a thought and a school of thought and mindset which has pushed the whole Muslim society towards this kind of a misery and downfall, this kind of an ignorant opinion and mindset. So we have to come out of it. And Minhajul Quran is always propagator of such moderate and progressive thoughts. So you are at the right place.